What is the past tense for go?
Go. I don't know, pal. Past, what was it again?
What is the past tense for go?
Past tense. Yeah. Come.
Come.
Yeah.
Okay. And can you explain that to the people watching at home, please?
Because if you tell someone to go, the other meaning for it is to come back. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know what you're saying.
Nah, it's chill. I'm off me, pal.
Have a good day, sir, yeah? What is the past tense for go?
For go?
Yeah.
Stop. Wait, past tense? How can go be present tense? What do you mean by that? Present? Past? What?
What's the past tense for go?
Leave.
And can you explain to them how you got to leave, please?
Walk away. What is this?
What's the past tense for go?
Stay. Don't know.